Okay, Chevrolet Malibu 2019. Let's try to reset the engine oil life. Okay. So, keyless. Just start with the brake. And then, I cannot read that one, but we'll try. Okay? By using these buttons on how it, I think this one is the trip A or trip 1. Okay. Just hold at the middle button to press OK. Okay. Hindi ko talaga siya mabasa kasi Arabic, pero palagay ko siya na to. Palagay ko siya na yan. So long press. Let's try the tap is the OK. Oh yeah. We got it, man. And this one is, I don't know, 200. It's tire pressure. I think that's battery. This is the temperature. And yeah, that's all. That's it on how you can reset the Chevrolet Malibu 2019 model. Peace, yo!